What have you learned about developing Optimus, about applying, integrating this kind of real world AI into the space of robotic manipulation, just humanoid robotics? What are some interesting, tiny or big things you've understood?
I was surprised at the fact that we had to develop every part of the robot ourselves. That there were no off-the-shelf motors, electronics, sensors. Like we had to develop everything. We couldn't actually find a source of electric motors for any amount of money.
So it's not even just the efficient, inexpensive. It's like anything. There's not a
No.
So the actuators, everything has to be
Yeah.
designed from scratch.
We tried hard to find anything that was, because you think of how many electric motors are made in the world.
Mhm.
There's like tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of electric motor designs. None of them were suitable for a humanoid robot. Literally none. So we had to develop our own, design it specifically for what a humanoid robot needs.
How hard was it to design something that can be mass manufactured, could be relatively inexpensive? I mean, if you compare to Boston Dynamics Atlas, it's a very expensive robot.
It is designed to be manufactured in the same way they would make a car. And I think ultimately we can make Optimus for less than the cost of a car. It should be, because if you look at the mass of the robot, it's much smaller. And the car has many actuators in it. The car has more actuators than the robot.
But there's the actuators are kind of interesting on a humanoid robot with fingers. So Optimus has really nice hands and fingers, you know.
Yeah.
And they could do some interesting manipulation. Soft touch robotics.
I mean, one of the tests goals I have is can it pick up a needle and a thread the needle just by looking?
How far away are we from that? Just by looking.
Maybe a year. Although I go back to I'm optimistic on time. The work that we're doing in the car will translate to the robot.
The perception or also the control?
No, the controls are different, but the video in controls out. Mm-hmm. The car is a robot on four wheels. The Optimus is a robot with hands and legs.
So you can just
they're very similar.
So the entire machinery of the learning process,
yeah,
end to end, is just you just have a different set of controls.
Optimus will figure out how to do things by watching videos.
As the saying goes, be kind, for everyone you meet is fighting a battle you know nothing about.
Yeah, it's true.
What's something difficult you're going through that people don't often see?
Trying to feed Uber Lilith. No, I mean, I mean, my mind is a storm, and I don't think most people would want to be me. They may think they would want to be me, but they don't. They don't know. They don't understand.
How are you doing?
I mean, overall, okay. In the grand scheme of things, I can't complain.
Do you get lonely?
Sometimes, but my kids and friends keep me company.
So not existential.
There are many nights I sleep alone. I don't have to, but I do.